Hi, Michelle here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to search users on TikTok with the TikTok User Search Scraper. This actor scrapes user profiles from search queries and gives you their name, nickname, profile picture, and profile URL. It can also scrape metrics like number of fans, following, friends, and hearts. But maybe you're asking, why would anyone need to search TikTok users' data? Say you're a marketer analyzing competitors, a business looking for influencers, or a sales team gathering lead data. Well, TikTok's growing fast, and staying ahead means knowing who's big in your industry. Manually searching TikTok users is slow and painful. TikTok User Search Scraper automates it by grabbing public user data fast and at scale. Whether you're tracking competitors, finding brand partners, or building an outreach list, this tool gets you the info you need, quickly and easily. This scraper grabs usernames, follower counts, bios, engagement stats, and more. No more guessing who your audience loves or which influencers fit your brand. You'll get real-time data to steer your strategy right. To help us with that, we're going to be using the ready-made TikTok User Search Scraper from Apify store. First, go to the link in the description, which will take you to the TikTok User Search Scraper's README. Hit try for free, which will prompt you to create an Apify account. Don't worry, it's free and no credit card is required. Now you'll head to the actor's input page. You can set it up with our easy UI or use JSON if that's your thing. We're sticking with the manual view for this one. To scrape users on TikTok, all you need is a search query. Input it here. You can add more via the Add button or you can edit them in bulk. Next, you can limit the number of profiles per query. Before running your actor, we suggest saving your configuration and creating a task. This will come in handy if you want to schedule or integrate your actor with other tools in the future, or if you plan to work with multiple configurations. Now that we have the input filled out, let's run the actor using the Start button. You can watch your results appear in Overview or switch to the Log tab to see more details about the run. Alright, run's done. Now hit Export and get your data. Pick your format, decide which fields to keep or skip, then press Download, and you've got your file. Here's ours in JSON. Open up in a new tab. If you want to automate your workflow further, you can schedule your TikTok Finder user to run at regular intervals. Choose your task and hit Schedule. You can specify the frequency of how often you want to run the actor. You can even connect your TikTok user lookup to other cloud services, such as Google Drive, Zapier, or any other Apify actor. By the way, you can also run this scraper locally via API. You can find the code in Node.js, Python, or curl in the API drop-down menu in the top right corner. To learn more about retrieving data programmatically, check out our video on the subject. Are you interested in scraping more TikTok data like profiles, comments, or hashtags? You can check out other TikTok scrapers in the link down below. Or if you prefer video tutorials, we have loads of them on our YouTube channel. You can find them in the card above or in the description. And that's all for now. Let us know what you think about the TikTok Profile Search Scraper. Remember, if you come across any issues, make sure to report them to our developers in Apify Console. If you enjoyed this, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and tap that bell for more videos. So long, and thanks for all the likes.